Major updates to the TIN workflow now give users greater flexibility in creating, editing, and analyzing terrain models. This guide walks through the new Generate TIN tool, explains the improved generation options, and shows how these changes make working with surface models faster, more intuitive, and more powerful. You no longer need to draw a grid before generating a TIN. You can now simply generate it from the canvas. So what's new? Currently there are 3 ways of generating TINs. The first way is by making a surface model, which creates a TIN based on the surface model itself with no bare earth estimation or filtering. This is best for faithful representation of all visible surface features, including trees, vehicles, and structures. Next is bare earth. This creates a TIN from the bare earth model, excluding trees, vehicles, and structures. It's ideal for clean topography, slope analysis, and contour mapping. The last one is from features. This creates a TIN from selected features such as points, break lines, and holes that you allocate. This is perfect for custom modeling or design surfaces. Next in the Generate TIN menu, you have the option to choose your bounds. For surface model and bare earth modes, you can choose the entire project, or you can select area and draw a polygon to define your bounds. For applications using bare earth, you'll be wanting to strip away any vegetation and buildings so your model represents just the underlying terrain, giving you a cleaner base to work with. When selecting from features, choose the Auto Outline to toggle between auto-generated outlines or manually drawn ones. When enabled, follow the bottom left prompt to select features such as points, polylines, polygons, or grids to create one large triangulated TIN from all selected features. Then click Submit to render. If disabled, draw an outline polygon around the desired annotated features, then submit for triangulation. Together, they transform the Generate TIN tool into a faster, smarter, and more adaptable solution for all stages of terrain modeling. With quick generation, precise control, and reliable fallback options, you can produce cleaner, more efficient results ready for GIS analysis, CAD design, or any downstream application.